Get 3 coffins ready.
Huh?
Today's video is a look back at a few missing shots from this Western classic on the Airgun Leshy channel, A Fistful of Squirrels. But before we check out those scenes, let's remember where the original left us off.
Adios, amigo. Listen, stranger. Didn't you get the idea? We don't like to see bad boys like you in town. Go get your mule. You let him get away from you?
You see, that's what I want to talk to you about. He's feeling real bad.
Huh?
My mule. You see, he got all riled up when you men fired those shots at his feet.
Hey, you making some kind of joke?
No. You see, I understand you men were just playing around, but the mule, he just doesn't get it. Of course, if you were to all apologize. I don't think it's nice, you laughing. You see, my mule don't like people laughing. It's the crazy idea you're laughing at him. Now, if you apologize like I know you're going to, I might convince him that you really didn't mean it.
Airgun Leshy presents A Fistful of Squirrels, The Missing Shots. The truth is, this triple tap was filmed way after The Fistful of Squirrels, but it got lost in a pile of unused footage from the main channel, and it's kind of the reason why I started this second one for all that footage. The following shots, however, are all from that day I filmed A Fistful of Squirrels. I took the time to remaster them for this video, so I hope you enjoy.